Alright, now that you've completed your Myplan assessment, let's review how we can track that information on your career planning self-assessment form. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll notice that we are in the Assessment tab of Myplan. On the left-hand side, let's navigate to the My Reports folder and look for our Interests test. This interest test will share your primary interest area. Mine lists as realistic. We'll track that on part 2 of the interest assessment. You'll notice that that's different than the result that came up in my self-assessment part 1. That's okay for now. Let's track just what we found in the Myplan results. Our second interest area comes up as social, and we'll track it right there on the career planning self-assessment form. Once we've tracked both of those areas, we'll scroll back up to the My Reports section and we'll navigate to Personality Test. So this information will be tracked on the bottom half of our self-assessment form. The first thing we'll look for is under your summary. We'll identify your personality type. Mine came up as ENTJ. So again, we'll go to the second line of boxes under personality assessment and we'll share E, N, T, and J. So the last part of this form will involve scrolling down and tracking our actual percentages for each of the types. So our first one is introverted and extroverted. You can see here that I came up as 53% extroverted, which means that I will click extroversion on our form and type in 53%. Now you can also list the 47%, which indicates the opposite side of that type category. We'll keep going through. I came up as intuiting here, so I'll click on that box, add 73% and 27%. In the thinking and feeling category, I came up 53% thinking and 47% feeling. And in our last category, judgers and perceivers, I came up on the judger side, 53%, with 47% on perceiving. So now I'll maximize our form so that we can see what the completed self-assessment form should look like. Be sure to print out a copy of this and bring it to class when a representative from Career and Academic Advising or your faculty member reviews this career planning activity.